Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Let's talk a little more about painting your vinyl windows. Let's get into this. Trend is still out. People are still painting their windows black. There's a right way and a wrong way. I have talked about not doing it yourself personally. The reason I say that is because there have been so many times where I have gone to a customer's house who've painted the windows and everything has warped. Why did they warp? The reason why is because the wrong paint was been applied. Very, very seldom are you ever going to just find somebody who understands the technique of painting vinyl. You need, if it's on the outside of your window, a solar reflective paint. Meaning, if the sun is beaming down on this window, most paints that you can readily get and you think are gonna be great for your windows are going to have chemicals, elements in them that are going to bond to the vinyl and attract the heat. When the sun is beating on this window, it all of a sudden gets to a very extreme temperature and starts to warp your vinyl. The problem is I've seen this way too many times. And when I see videos of, oh, easily paint your window black or paint your window bronze, whatever color you're looking for, you gotta wonder, are these guys taking into account for the sun? The other thing I want people to keep in mind is, again, when operation is in progress of your window and you're painting the interior of your window, depending on what type of paint you're using, it's going to start to peel, it's going to start cracking, it's going to do things that you don't want it to do. And all of a sudden, now you gotta figure, how am I gonna fix this? Am I gonna repaint the whole window all over again? I wouldn't suggest it. Why? Because have you ever painted something that's already been cracked and you just add a coat of paint to it? It looks crazy. When I say don't paint your white vinyl windows black or whatever the case is, it's to save you from the heartache. Are there ways to paint the inside of your window? White window, you want it to be black. Maybe. You just gotta be very, very careful. I've had responses online, maybe we could just use a cap on the inside of the window. Maybe. I've heard of some window manufacturers that use basically an extruded piece of vinyl and then they put a cap. It's like a veneer, if you will, over the vinyl itself. Usually, it's made for exterior grade. It's gonna be rougher. It's not gonna feel like what you would expect it would look like on the inside. Nice, smooth, sheer look. You're not really gonna find that. It can be done, I'm certain of it, but here's the problem. Again, there's going to be wear, I guarantee it. And when there's wear, you're gonna rethink whether or not that was the right thing to do. If you want black windows, you can do it. If you want black inside and out, and you replace your windows, you don't have to go with vinyl. I wouldn't. In this case, I would go with fiberglass windows, aluminum windows, or wood windows. Because you can paint wood, you can paint aluminum, you can paint fiberglass. And the cool thing about all those is you can get them all in black. Depending on what you're looking for, style of window, you can definitely do the black window on the inside. Just don't do it to vinyl. That's my take on it. And I've been doing this many years, and I'm gonna continue to stand behind that. Don't paint your windows black on the inside. It's not gonna work for the long term. Okay, guys? Any questions? Put them in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this. Talk soon. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.